Hello everyone, OHHEJ from MAM Portable and QRP here. Today I'll show you an Android app for Whisper weak signal propagation reporting. It's an Android beaconing app which allows you to work MAM Portable, testing propagation with low power QRP like we like to do. Alright, let's get started. So as you may have seen in our radar field comms or PSK31 videos, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Tab with the FT-817 and the Wolfie Link interface. For Whisper, the Bluetooth keyboard isn't necessary, but it certainly is one of those nice to have accessories. If you're looking for the ultra-lightweight solution, throw out the keyboard and the tablet, replace it with the Samsung Galaxy S4 or S5 with the Wolfie Link and the FT-817. Just one quick point before we go forward. I like the Wolfie Link interface because it connects directly to the data port of my radio. This really helps to sort out the leveling problems with the audio, because the data port has a fixed audio level. There's also no need to use the Vox circuit on the radio. This is a big plus. Also remember, with any digital apps, you should disable all of the notifications in your tablet when working with amateur radio digital modes. If you haven't already done so, you need to go over to whiskey-sierra-papa-romeo-net.org and create an account there. That might take some time before it gets approved, but it certainly doesn't stop you from sending out your Whisper beacons. Next, you'll want to go on over to the Google Play Store and install WSPR Beacon, Whisper Beacon. Now, if you search just for Whisper, you won't find it. You'll need to put those two words together. Once you have the app installed, you want to go ahead and get everything connected up. Of course, it connects up just the same way as it would with PSK or other digital modes in your radio. Just to hit that point one more time, remember to disable all of the notifications and any sounds that come out of your tablet or smartphone if you're using it with the Vox on your radio. But now that you've got Whisper Beacon installed, we can go ahead and start it and start the configuration. Firstly, we enter our call sign. Next, enter your grid locator in 6 or 4-digit format. Alternatively, you can use the GPS. Then go ahead and select your power level, or the power level you plan to use. Now go to the next field and select the band that you're going to operate in. The next field is transmit framing, and it lets you choose between sending a beacon once, or every 4 minutes, every 2 minutes, every 6 minutes, every 8 minutes, and so on. Finally, select your transmit frequency. I usually leave it as it is and adjust my dial frequency accordingly. Go ahead and double check everything, your cables, your antenna, make sure you're on the right band, and then go ahead and click start. If you've done everything correctly, you'll see or hear your transmitter starting to transmit. Now, although the app is intended for unintended operation, until you get used to it, don't leave it alone, yeah? Go through, check everything, make sure it's good before you use it unattended. So after you've successfully sent a few frames, you can go ahead and check the database and the maps to see if you have any reception reports. Now this is the exciting bit for me, as I never expected to reach distances so far. And there we go, guys. It really is that simple with Android and the Whisper Beacon app. No complicated setup. I mean, it couldn't get any more simple than that. So, if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, like, share, tell people what we're doing with this channel, and if you have a moment, take a look at our other channel, Survival Tech Nord. Thank you very much for watching, and 73s and good DX. Rock and roll. Thanks. Bye.